welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be trying out this palette right here. This is Neon Drip by Poppi Cosmetics. This is an indie brand, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. I am really into indie brands. A lot of times you have better formulas than name brands, and the price is usually better. And this palette looks like this. It is very bright, and we will be creating this look right here. So let's get started. Alright, so to start off this look, we are going to prime. I am going to prime my face with Avant right here. And then I am going to prime my eyes with Viseart. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead and put foundation on. I am using Fenty Beauty Pro Filter, and it's a soft matte long wear foundation, and it's in shade 150. Okay, so now we are going into eyebrows, and I am going to use my Mellow Brown Pomade right here for my brows. Okay, so now we are moving into eyeshadow, and we're going to use this palette right here. This is Neon Drip, and I'm super excited because I've actually not used it yet, even though I've had it in my collection a while. So I'm going to start out with this yellow color right here. Now we are going to go into this next color right here, Side Chick, which is kind of an orange color. Okay, so I'm going to now use this color right here called Clout. And if you notice, I'm really just packing these colors on really hard, and I'm not going to bother doing much blending until I do the next layer, which is going to be kind of a sparkle color. So let's go ahead and put that pink on. Okay, so now I'm going to take this color Flex and go right over the yellow. Now we're going to go into this color right here called Poppin', and this is kind of an orange shiny color. Now I'm going to go into this color right here called Slippery and go over the pink. Okay, I'm going to take a clean brush and just kind of blend the top of that out a little bit and make it look a little bit smoother. Okay, so now I'm going to go under the eyes. I am going to do halfway with this baddie color and then the other half on the outer part with this freaky color, and yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so now I'm going to take this color right here called Wet, and I'm going to go right back under the eyes over the color I just laid down, and it'll give it a nice purple sheen. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of concealer under the, not concealer, foundation. I'm actually not using concealer at all in this look today, but I'm going to take a little foundation and kind of clean up under the eyes to make it look a little prettier. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs liner here in Grapevine, and I am going to go under the eyes with it. Alright, now I'm going to do top eyeliner. This is McQueen New York. This is a K-Beauty brand, and if you didn't see the review, you should go check it out. I did a review on a bunch of Korean beauty products, and this was definitely one of my standout favorite products from that. Okay, so now we are going to use some lash primer. This lash primer right here, I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but I did get this off of Yes Style, and this lash primer also curls my lashes, so that is why I'm using it. Okay, so now we're going to go over the lashes with my Elate Black Mascara right here. Alright, we're going to do some light bronzing with GG Gorgeous. So now I'm going to do highlighting, and I'm going to start off with this one right here from, what is this, Lime Crime. And I am going to use a mix of these two right here. That is, what is that? Happy Land and Daydream. And then I'm going to just touch a few key points, I believe. Which one do I want to go with? Probably this blue ice right here, and this is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild highlight palette. Alright, now we're going to do a little blush, and this is Marc Jacobs. This is Lush and Libido, and that is the colors that I'm using. Okay, so now I'm going to do my light dusting, of course, with my face setting powder. Give it a nice smooth airbrush look like that I like. So this is what I'm using. This is Private Society. Alright, for lip color we are using Fenty Beauty, what is this? Pound Sickle and Alpha Doll. So this is a purple color. You can see it here. I haven't used it yet because I have a lot of makeup. I feel like I need some pink glitter on the lid, so I'm going to add that. I am going into my X&O Cosmetics Glitterholic palette right here, and I am going to dab this pink color onto the eyelids. Alright, so there is one last thing I need to do. I need to add some setting spray. I am using Pretty Fresh by ColourPop and Rainforest of the Sea by Tarte. Alright, so this is my finished look. What do you guys think? This is very neon and 80s-ish, I think. 80s, maybe 90s-ish, I don't know. But anyways, it is bright and it is neon, so I feel like I did right with this look. Maybe I didn't, I don't know. But let me know your thoughts below of this look as far as the palette's concerned. These colors are really, really, really bright, obviously. I do like the formula on them. They did blend very well. I have no complaints about it. I'm definitely going to be dipping into this more now that I've actually used it. But that is all my thoughts on this palette and this look. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.